Okay, wait.
Okay. Okay, guys, come, let's play.
When I threw the shuttle, did you notice something? It didn't go up, it went down. Why?
Ugh, Amma, I'm a class 7 student. How can you ask me such a basic question? It's because of gravity.
Now, what is gravity? Are you too wondering why aren't the trees and us walking on the earth are not falling?
Gravity is like a force that is pulling all things towards Earth.
Okay. Similar to this?
Gravity is like me getting attracted to. Amma, do you know an interesting fact? Things are like this now. But do you know so many years ago ancient Greeks knew about this gravity?
Okay.
But do you know even before that ancient Indians knew about gravity?
How do you know about this?
You told me.
Yes, that's a fact. Even before ancient Greeks, ancient Indians also knew about gravity.
Yes, and it has been mentioned in the Vedas as well. Not
Rig Veda mentions about the gravitational effect of solar system which is keeping the earth stable. Also, there is a mention about gravitation by Varahamihira and Sri Adi Shankaracharya.
not only about the gravity, but even about the heliocentric model and everything. So, Amma, does that mean Newton didn't discover gravity?
Okay, let us put it like this. Okay, even before Newton was there was gravity. So, ancient Greeks, ancient Indians, maybe before that, they had a concept of some pull or some attraction. You know, they had an idea that all the planets are attracted towards each other. Okay, the concept of gravity or the pull was there, but our Sir Isaac Newton, what did he do? Formulated a law. Okay, he gave a scientific explanation about gravitational force. So Newton has to be definitely credited for this. But here we are not talking about the scientific thing, we are talking about the concept of gravity. So which we are saying that even before Newton, people had the idea of gravity. That's great, isn't it?
Yeah! So now both of them can join hands and share the credit.
Hooray! But we think we are the only smart ones around here.
Yeah. Thank you so much for the information about gravity.
And a big shout out to ancient Indians.
Okay, so now let's end today's session because we learned so many new things and our brain will explode. Okay, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and bye. This is the Suvidishta way of life.